It is January in Calgary, Alberta, and the bikes are out. Yeah, buddy. About to hop in the Ford here, which isn't exactly my style, but hey, it's a good company truck. And you know, Fords, Dodge, GM, yeah, those are all good trucks. But you know, a company truck ain't nothing like a company truck. Man, those things will go everywhere, do everything. I am just running units back and forth today for the motorcycle show in Calgary. Well, it starts on Friday here, and I will be there all day on Saturday working the Ralph's Motorsports booth and jumping back and forth between that and Textron and Articat. So I'm a busy guy here Saturday. I've got to meet people and sell stuff. I'm not a great salesman, but this is where I bought my bike last year, and I probably should take that thing out again one more time, because people are riding their bikes around here. Because what is it? It's a freaking 12 degrees out right now here in Calgary. Look at that guy. He don't care. Like the cool blue light. Things are spooling up. Bikes are looking good. Sleds are looking good. Quads are looking clean for once. I love the motorcycle show. Thanks everybody for watching this micro video. I'll be working the show tomorrow and looking at all the stuff that I can't afford, but we'll just end up buying anyway. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe to the channel? See you next one. Yes!